I just got charged with a DUI, but I don't have a court date for another month. When should I contact a lawyer? The answer is immediately. There are deadlines that could have a major impact on your case. If you hire an attorney after a deadline has passed, you could tremendously hurt your case, both from a driver's license standpoint and from a general strategy standpoint. For example, if you received an administrative license suspension, then you only have 10 business days to appeal that decision. Sometimes this license suspension is referred to in more friendly terms, such as a temporary driving permit or a 30-day permit. Don't be lulled into thinking you have until the end of that 30-day period to do anything about it. Again, while you can drive for 30 days, your right to appeal that ends after 10 business days. If you don't contact an attorney until after the 10 business days, you will lose your right to an administrative hearing on your suspension. On the other hand, if you hire an attorney within 10 business days of your arrest, he or she can appeal that suspension and get your driving privileges extended beyond the initial 30-day period. Having a driver's license while your case is pending puts you in a much better position to defend your underlying traffic or criminal case. If you have no driver's license while the case is pending, you might feel more pressure to go ahead and plead guilty to something just to get some closure to the case. Generally speaking, when a case takes longer to get tried, you are almost always in a better position than if you need a quick disposition. Think of it as similar to you buying a house or a car. If the seller knows you need to buy quickly, he or she will almost certainly keep the price high. With criminal cases in general, including DUI cases, if the prosecuting attorney knows that you are desperate for a quick plea and are not going to take as long as it takes to defend the case, then he or she will likely keep the charging and sentencing recommendation higher than they otherwise would. It is vitally important that your attorney know the landscape and, in particular, the tendencies and personality of the local prosecutor in recommending to you a course of action in disposing of your case.